there, it's Alex from WTI. In all my years of using embroidery floss, I found the DMC brand to be the most outstanding. The fact that they have made this color card should tell you that they are passionate about their product and believe in its quality. This color card from DMC can be invaluable to your needlepoint projects. Not only do they have every single color they make in actual thread arranged on the card, but there are so many neat features about this handy tool that I really appreciate. I liked how there was a size guide to show you what each amount of thread looks like. Let's say if you're using all 6 strands or just one. Also, the colors are labeled under 25 columns. So if you have the number of the thread but don't know the color, you can look it up with this beautiful guide. I'm telling you, if you make your own designs, this color card could save you so much time. There is so much information right here in this color card to help you plan and create. I love that there are so many colors to choose from as well. And can we just take a second to see how visually stunning this book is? I just love looking through it. It's so beautiful. So if you're using DMC thread, this is a must-have. You've got to get one here. It's going to just next level up your projects, and that's my point of view.